Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the topic heap, right? So today we'll be discussing on the topic priority queue, right? So let's get into the definition part here. A priority queue retrieves elements based on their priority rather than the order they were added, right? So this is very important. A priority queue retrieves elements based on their priority rather than the order they were added, right? So higher priority items are dequeued before lower priority ones. So just keep this in mind. This is very important point, man. Higher priority items are dequeued before lower priority ones, right? So let's discuss some two more points which are very important. In Python, we can use heap queue or queue, right? So heap queue or queue, priority queue for the priority queues, right? So we can just make use of heap queue. Previously, we had went with the heap queue, right? So here this one import heap queue module I'm speaking of, right? So here in Python we can use heap queue or the queue, right? So basically priority queue, we can make use of the priority queue for the priority queues, right? Priority queue module for the priority queues, right? Priority is determined by sorting the keys, right? Smallest number basically. Highest priority in min based implementations, right? Priority is determined by sorting the keys, nothing but the smallest number equals to highest priority in minimum based implementations, right? Um Priority is determined by sorting keys minus this one, smallest number equals highest priority in the min based implementations. Simple, right? So let's do one thing. Now I'll just go with a very simple example, man. So I'll just go with the heap queue model itself. So this one will be heap queue. This is fine. Now let's go with the priority and value, nothing but priority comma value. So let me set the pq to the empty array. So I'll just go with the heap queue dot head push. uh, we have to go with the priority as well as the value, right? Priority is second. Value, I'll just go with a task. Let me go with b, right? Task b has the priority 2. So again let me go with a heap queue here. Let me go with head push, same thing. So instead of 2 I'll just go with 1. Again let me go with here task a, right? So let me copy the same thing over here. Let me paste this one again. So instead of 1, uh, let me go with this one priority. Let me give 3 here, and task this one I'll just make this one c, right? So now we have added the priority along with the value. So for the interactive purpose, let's go with a print. So I'll just go with a print here. Priority queue. So this one, what is the variable I have considered? PQ, right? So let me pass the PQ, right? So we need to get the output 1 task A, 2 task B, and 3 task C, right? Based on the priority. So priority, this will be min priority, right? So first one will be given this one higher priority first. So this one will be 1 task A, 2 task B, and 3 task C, right? So when we print. So I hope this part is clear. Next, let's pop by priority as well. So I'll just go with a while loop here. While we have passed the, I mean, we have given the variable name PQ. So this one will be priority. This one will be priority, comma, task equals. So this one will be heap queue. But let me go with a heap pop. So this is not showing heap pop. Yeah, heap pop. Let me pass the variable name PQ. Right. So this is fine. Let's print something for the interactiveness. So I'll just go with, let's make use of the string interpolation. Let me start with F here. So let me go with processing. So task within the, what do you call, flower braces with this one priority. So I'll just go with priority. This is fine. Let me pass the priority as well, right? So we get to know the priority as well. So this is fine. Yeah. Now, for this, we are just popping by priority or deleting by priority. So the output that we need to get here is processing task A with the priority 1, processing task B with the priority 2, and finally processing task C with the priority 3. The first priority will be given to the task A with the priority 1. The second priority will be given to the task B with priority 2. Same thing, similar thing with the task C as well. The third priority will be given to the task C with a priority 3, right? So we are done with the priority priority queue, right? So now yeah, let's try to run the code, right? So I'll just go with Python here. Let me come here, right click, rename, copy this one, paste dot py. So we are getting the error here, line number 10. uh, heap push argument one must be list, not int. Where line number 10 ಅನ್ನೋದು. So this one heap push. So what we have given here, import heap queue we have given. Queue I have assigned this one to the empty. This is fine. Heap queue dot head push. Oh, I haven't mentioned the PQ at all here. Sorry, man. So this one we have to give here PQ, right? So I haven't passed that one at all. So let me close this one again. Same thing I have to do for this one as well. Let me do this one quickly. The variable name I haven't passed. So this is fine. Again, let me go with PQ, comma. So this is fine. Now let's do one thing. Sorry. Yeah, let me close this one. Again, let me close this one. This is fine, man. Right? So we are done with this part. So I hope the error will get clear now. Let me see. Let me run this one. Yeah, now we are getting the correct output, right? Priority queue, one task A. So because we are printing priority queue, this one within the string. So I'll just leave this one here. This is fine, man. This is fine. Priority queue, one task A, the second priority and the task B, the third priority and the task C. When we are popping this one, we are popping the task based on the priority as well. See here, processing task A with priority 1 and processing task B with priority 2, processing task C with priority 3. So we are getting the absolute correct answer, means we are getting the desired output, right? So now we are done with the priority queue. We are done with the topic priority queue. And here what is happening in the output, basically heap stores the items ordered by the first element of the tuple, right? Heap stores items ordered by the first element of the tuple, and smallest priority is processed first, right? So just keep this things in the mind. So this is it for the priority queue. Let me summarize whatever we have learned so far, right? So just keep this one sentence in the mind. Priority queues lets us process elements based on the priority instead of the arrival order, right? So priority queues, what it does, it lets us process the elements based on the priority instead of the arrival order, right? Simple. So we are done with the priority queues. So next we'll be discussing on the topic queue, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.